Hi, I'm Aaliyah from Our Rich Journey. Today I'm going to be answering questions about money in under 1 minute. Today's question is, what is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is the type of investment that pools money from several people and invests that money in securities like stocks, bonds, and other assets. The fund is managed by a professional who understands stocks and charges a fee. There are many different kinds of mutual funds. Some are less riskier than others. But in general, a mutual fund is considered less risky than one person buying one single stock. For example, if you invest $100 in one single stock and that stock does poorly, you could lose a lot of money. On the other hand, if you invest $100 in a mutual fund with 100 other people who also invest $100, your mutual fund would invest in several different stocks or bonds. This is what is known as diversification. Because a mutual fund spreads out investments, some companies can do well and others can do poorly, but your risk is lower because you're not throwing all of your money into one single company. So that's my video, in less than a minute. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and join the journey.